Hello students, welcome back. Today I am discussing about again loc and iloc um, method to access our single value row and columns, but some new things. So uh, here last time I have access only single row and all the rows, single column and all the columns. But here I want to access uh, more than one row using a slice operation. Using a slice operation, we know very well in loc or iloc we always use comma, and before comma always row slicing, and after comma always column slicing. Okay, so you can see slice for row using loc. We know very well pandas provide user defined label, so we can change 0 1 2 3 row index according to our choice, and 0 1 2 3 4 and default column numerical value change into our according to choice. So here I am using R0, R1, R2, R3. This is my choice row index, and C0, C1, C2, C3. This is your my choice column index. So for this I want to select row, column and the values. So here I always use loc. So you can see I want to select only first row. So here I am using slice. So you can see start from R0, stop R0, R0 colon R0, comma colon. Colon means the first row and all the columns. Here one thing is important, loc always include stop index. So you can see here R0 is our starting, comma R0 again, this is your stopping. So this include R0 to R0. So including stop index. So you can see 3 2 3 4. Here R0 colon R1. So you can see start from R0 and stop to R1. So R1 include, in loc R1 include. So you can see 3 2 3 4 7 4 6 8. Okay, R0 colon R1 comma only colon means all the columns of R0 to R1. So this is our result. Okay, here I am using df.log start from R0 colon R2 means R0 row, R1 row and R2 row. So here R2 include. Okay, comma colon means 3 rows, but R0, R1, R2 row and all the columns. Okay, suppose I want to select complete table from using the slice. So very simple thing, df.log we already know, start from R0 colon where to stop R3. So R3 include, so you can see all the rows, comma colon. Colon means R0, R1, R2, R3 row and including all the columns. So using this df.log you can see I have selected all the complete table with the help of slice operation. Directly we can write df only, so it will also return the same result. Okay, we can also use df dot values, it will return the same result. But using a slice operation we can use this type of style to get the same result. Okay, suppose now I want to select columns, selected more than one columns. So simple thing is, we know very well df.log, here I am write like colon. Colon means all the rows, comma column start C0 and colon C0. Start C0 and colon C0 means stop also C0. So it include the stop index, column index. So you can see this is our first column 3 7 5 8, or we can also say this C0 column have 4 rows. So here I am only using colon, because we know very well before comma always row slicing and after comma always column slicing. Okay, suppose I am using df.log colon comma C0 colon C1. So you can see start from C0 stop to C1. So here two columns, and df.log colon means all the rows of C0 to C1. So you can see 3, 7, 5, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8. So we can also select our desired column, more than one column, using a slice operation. Okay, suppose I want to select starting 3 columns only. So the statement is df.log colon means all the rows, comma, start from C0 and stop to C2. So you can see C0 column 3, 7, 5, 8, C1 column 2, 4, 6, 8, C2 3, 6, 9, 4, and all the rows, because colon comma C0 to C2. So here one thing is notice, a C2 column include, we have one thing, we already use range method. Okay, range method always one less in stop value. We already use a range method in array, so always one less. Then we already use numpy 1d array, numpy 2d array, always stop always one less. But here new thing you notice, in log always include stop index, not one less in label index. So new thing is it always include stop index, not one less. Okay, suppose I want to select again complete table. So df.log in square bracket colon means all the rows. Which all the rows? Of particular columns. But here I am writing C0 mid colon C3. So you can see the complete table. So we have two styles to access complete table. You can see we can also use df.log r0 colon r3 comma, but here I'm using colon. So you can see complete table. We can also same thing we can access using the column basis. df.log colon means all the rows and C0 to C3. So we have two things, but we can get the same result. Okay, you can see the same result. We can use r0 to r3 and colon. We can also use df.log colon comma C0 to C3. Okay, so here this is a slice operation. Slice operation means we can select more than one row, more than one column, in starting, in bottom, or in middle also. Okay, but here this is your label index. But suppose we know very well, we have already a default index. Default index always numerical 0, 1, 2, 3 in row, 0, 1, 2, 3 in column. For default index we always use ilog. Ilog means integer location index of row and column. The same thing here we mentioned, but few changes is here I am using ilog, and here I am using 0 colon 1 and so on to select row and column. But here one thing is, here stop index always one less. Here stop index always one less. So here I want to select only first row. So here I am writing df.ilog 0 colon 1. Let's start from 0 row and stop to 1. 1 means one less. So again be 0 to 0. So it is our first row, comma colon means first row 3 to 3, 4, but all the columns of first row. Suppose I want to select starting 2 rows and using a default index, numerical index. So here I am writing df.ilog 0 colon 2. So you can see 0 and 1, because 0 colon 2 means one less, so it include only 0 and 1 rows. Comma colon means all the columns of 0 to 2 rows. So you can understand simply df.ilog 0 colon 3. 0 colon 3 means 0, 1 and 2, because it does not include stop index. So you can see 0, 1, 2 rows, comma colon. So starting 3 rows including all the columns. Okay, now I want to select complete table with the help of So you can see df dot I log 0 colon 4. So 4 means one less, but 0, 1, 2, 3, this is our complete index, and comma colon means all the rows. Okay. But I want to select column basis data. So here I am using again I log, but colon comma 0 colon 1. So all the rows of first column, all the rows of first column. This statement tells first column all the rows in our language. So you can see 0 colon 1. 1 means one less. One less means again 0 to 0 means only 0th column. 3, 7, 5, 8. But this first column have 4 rows. So here I am using colon comma 0 colon 1. Suppose I want to select starting 2 column with all the rows of starting 2 columns. So I want to write df dot I log in square bracket colon comma means all the rows. But which all the rows? 0 to 2 column. So 0, 1 we already know, but 0 to 2 means one less. So you can see 0, 1, 3, 7, 5, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, I want to select starting 3 columns. So here I am writing df dot I log square bracket colon comma 0 colon 3. Colon comma means all the row of 0 to 3 columns, but 0 to 3 means one less. So you can see 0, 1, 2. Okay, suppose I want to select complete table with the help of column slice index. So it is possible. Here I am writing df dot I log in square bracket colon comma 0 colon 4 means 0 to 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. So and all the rows of. So when we have default index 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, row and column, we always use I log. I log means integer location, or always one less. But when we change this default index row and column, so we always use log to select one row from top, more than one row, more than so on. So we use log. Then after selecting row or multiple rows and column, we can perform various statistical operations. Okay, but first we select our desired row and column with the help of log and I log. But in 2D NumPy, we never use log and I log. NumPy we directly use our square bracket. Same thing we but the absence of log and I log in NumPy 2D array. Okay students, but suppose I want to select row and column using a slice operation, but I want to skip one row, 2 rows and 3 rows in the middle. So it is also possible, but here I am using step value, okay, in row slicing and comma slicing also. So this is a simple thing. So you can see slice using step. Step means we can maintain gap between 2 rows. How many gap I want? So I will write in this command slicing using step. So new thing is we can maintain gap between rows and column to select row and column. It is also possible. So you can see simple thing is, so slice for row using log. Log include stop index, we already know. Okay, suppose here I am writing df.log r0 colon r1 colon 2. Colon 2 means start from r0 and after r0 I want to not one by one. So you can see, but here r1 is include, but here the statement only tells return the r0 row 3, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here colon 2 is not working because here I am writing r0 colon r1. So this is not cross the limit. Okay, the output of this statement is start from r0 means 3, 2, 3, 4 colon r2. So it include stop index. So 7, 4, 6, 8, 5, 6, 9, 2. But here I mention colon 2. So it skip R1 row. 7, 4, 6, 8 not include in the result. Because here I am using colon 2. By default step is 1. So it include all the rows. But here I am using include 2 means first row, then skip second row, then include third row. So you can see. Okay, here I am using R1 colon R3 colon 2. So same result you can see. Select R0, then 2. So R1 row not include, R3, then R2 row include, and R3 this is our stop index, but here step is 2, so R3 will not include. Okay, here I want to select only R0 and R2 row. So for this purpose here I am writing the statement R0 colon R4. So this will include all the rows, but I want to select R0 and R2. So here I am using colon 2 step. Colon 2 steps. So it will select R0 row, then skip R1 row because step is 2, and then select R2 row and skip R3. Okay, and comma colon means all the rows. Okay, students. So same thing we can use gap between two columns using using stop index. So df dot log colon means all the rows, C0 colon C1 colon 2. So you can see here include C0 colon C1, but here I am using two step column gap, so the output is only C0 result. Okay, here I want to include C0 and C2. Suppose I want to access C0 and C2 column. So see here I am writing df dot log colon comma C0 colon C2 colon 2 means C0 column, then skip C1 column, then include C2 column, and so this is our result, output of this statement. And C0 to C3, but skip the subsequent column. So here C0 include, C2 not, C1 not include, C2 include, and C3 not include, but all the rows. Okay, so C0 colon C4 and colon 2. So you can see C0 row column, then C1 not include, C2 include, but C3 no include because cross the limit. Okay, student. So this is our slicing operation. So we can also perform the same thing using our ilog. So you can see in ilog 0 colon 1 means start from 0 and stop 1, but always 1 less. Or here I am using step colon 2. So you can see 3 2 3 4. Okay. So here I am writing 0 colon 2 means start from 0, stop 1 less, so 0 to 1. But here step is colon 2. So again one first index row not include. Here I want to select only 0th row and second index row. So for this purpose df dot ilog 0 colon 3 colon 2. So 0 3 2 3 4 1 7 4 6 8, but it will not include because here I am using colon 2 step, and because the last row 5 6 9 2 it will include, and because it's 1 less but in our limit, so it will give result. Here I am using 0 colon 4. Okay, but here the gap is colon 2, so 0th row include, and first row not include, and second row include. So this is shown. Okay, here ilog I'm using in column. So you can see 0 colon 1 colon 2, so it will include 0th column, colon 1 Again 0 to 0 on colon 2 step, because it not cross the limit 0 colon 2. So you can understand easily. Start from 0, stop to 2, but 2 step gaps it will not include. 0 to 3, 0 colon 3 colon 2. So 0th column, first index column not include, and 2 3 6 9 4. And I want to select only 0 first and third column. So here I am writing colon comma 0 colon 4 colon 2. So you can see. Okay students, so today I have discussed about how to select more than one row, more than one column using the loc and iloc concept. Okay, thank you students.